In this lesson, what we're going to look at is a year 2 maths lesson that's going to teach the children about the properties of three-dimensional shapes. And to do that, we're going to use an app called AR Maker. You'll see an image of that on the screen here. My suggestion is when you start this lesson is just to talk about different shapes. So I've got some shapes here on my iPad. Now you can either physically have those shapes, so you can find these physical shapes. So I've got a can here, which is a cylinder. So then we can talk about that. A physical object will probably be better because then you can pass it around and they can look at it and they can look, well, how many faces to this shape? And we can look at another one. This is a cube. So how many faces to this cube? We can then talk about edges. How many edges to this cube? Then we can look at things like a cone. And how many vertices? Vertices are the pointy bits on the shape. So on a cone, there's only one vertice. And then finally, we've got a football here, which is a sphere. And how many vertices on a football? How many edges on a football? Well, the answer to those is going to be 0. But there is only one face on a sphere. So I would start the lesson by talking about that. Once we started talking about the idea of different shapes in the real world, then what we can do is we can really get into using AR Maker to create these shapes. I'm going to go and find a space now, and then we're going to talk through how I would use AR Maker to introduce children the idea and concept of 3D shapes and their properties. So the first thing really I'm going to do is going to open up AR Maker. So let's swipe down and I can type in AR, and there we go, AR Maker. When you first go into the app, you're going to see all the starter templates. There's lots of different templates here, but we're going to start with create your own scene. So let's tap on create your own scene. Then what we're going to do is we're going to start, and it's going to open up the camera, and you can see here, this is the floor of my landing here, and it's going to ask me to choose the floor. So I'm going to tap. Right, there is my floor. What I'm going to do now is going to create a new shape. So let's tap on new. Now, I'm going to start by tapping on a sphere. Right, we've got these options over here on the left-hand side, a paintbrush, a camera, and a file. We're going to use the paintbrush, but you could add a picture into this if you wanted to, but I'm going to use the paintbrush. This is more fun. And then I want the students to then design and create their own sphere. So I'm going to do this very quickly. So let's choose some colours. And you can see here, if you tap to the side, if you swipe to the side, you can then spin the sphere around. So let's choose another colour. I'm just going to do this very quickly. They can be a little bit more detailed. That's as much as I'm going to do. And then I'm going to press the tick. That was saved successfully. Now I can place that in my environment. So let's choose my globe. There it is. And let's place it somewhere. And then I'm going to pinch in and make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to tap the arrows here and then move it up. Okay. And then I'm going to place it. Okay. And now I can walk around my sphere like so. Okay, so once that's done, make sure you've got this one untapped. We can then go and create our next one. So let's do new, and let's do a cylinder this time. So this would be like our can of Coke. Then we can do our colour. Let's choose a colour, and then we can start painting in our colour. I'll do this very, very quickly, like so. Then when we're done, we can press the tick. It's been saved correctly. Choose the next space. Choose what you want to put in. So we're going to do a cylinder. Let's make it a little bit smaller on this one. And then let's go move this up a bit. So there we go. Place this one in there as well. And then what we can do is we can have another look. Okay, like so. Then you do the other two. So we could then go around. We could place the next one in that corner and place the other one in the far corner over here. So I've placed two, but the students would then go ahead and place all 4. Now, once that is done, we can press the arrow here, and then we have the record button. Now, I'm on my own at the moment, and I have got a demo of myself doing it with my daughter, which I'll show you after this. But then what we can do is press the video button. What we're going to then do is get the children to work in pairs. So one of them will have the iPad, and the other one will go inside and go in front of the camera. So you can see here, there is my hand. So I can actually do this with my hand if I wanted to. You'll get the child inside. Now the person holding the iPad is going to ask the questions, and then the person on video is going to answer them. I'll give you a demonstration. So, can you tell me the name of the shape on the right hand side and the properties of that shape? Can you tell me the name of the shape on the left hand side and the properties of that shape? So, the child that's in the video then will answer the questions. Now, like I say, I've got a demo of my daughter doing this. Let me show you that now.
This is a cone. It has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex.
Now, once they're done, they can go up to here and they can press save, and that will save it. They can enter a title, press done. Then the scene is saved. We can say OK, and then we could start a new one if we wanted to. We can press the X, we can tap quit, confirm, and then we could start a new one by pressing create your own scene again. If we want to see our own scenes, we can go to my scenes, and then we can go down. There we got 3D shapes there. So that's creating a augmented reality scene with your children. Now, obviously, I was doing this on my own, but the children will be working in pairs. So one of them holding the iPad, the other one inside the scene. Now, once they've done that, those videos will be saved inside their photo album. So there it is. Can you tell me the name of the shape on the right hand side and the properties of that shape? So that is AR Maker, and using AR Maker to teach that whole idea of the properties of 3-dimensional shapes. Enjoy!